Hey guys, today, this video is honestly one of the craziest camera stories I've ever experienced because this is a Leica M9. Yes, a real Leica M9. And believe it or not, this camera was given to me for free by one of the customer. And this Voigtländer Ultron 28mm f2 lens was also given to me by another customer. But there's one huge problem. The sensor is broken. Only half of the sensor works. But after using this camera for a while, I finally understood why photographers still love the Leica M9 in 2026. Today, let's talk about this legendary camera and why even broken, it still feels magical. So, first of all, huge thanks to the customers who gave me this. Honestly, I still can't believe it. One customer gave me the Leica M9 body because the sensor was already damaged. And the other customer gave me the Voigtländer Ultron 28mm f2 lens for free. And when I combine both together, it became one of the most interesting photography setups I've ever used. So, for those who don't know, the Leica M9 is one of the most legendary digital rangefinder camera ever made. This camera became famous because of CCD sensor, and CCD sensors have a very different look compared for the modern CMOS cameras. The color, the contrast, and the black and white rendering. It almost feels like a film photography. And honestly, that's something I miss with modern cameras sometimes. Modern mirrorless cameras today are super fast, crazy autofocus, crazy video specs, and crazy sharpness. But the Leica M9? But yes, this Leica M9 has a serious issue. Only half of the sensor is working. And when you look at the LCD, you can still literally see half of the image disappear. Honestly, for many people, this camera would already be considered dead. But weirdly enough, even broken, this camera still creates beautiful images. And honestly, sometimes the imperfection makes the photos feel even more artistic, especially in black and white. The files have this raw, organic, almost emotional look. This camera reminded me that photography is not always about perfection. Sometimes, older gear, imperfect gear, even broken gear can still inspire you more than the newest technology.
Yeah, you want the best. Yeah, you want the best. Guess what? That's what you're looking at. The best. The best. You want the best. Guess what? That's what you're looking at.
So, would I recommend buying a broken Leica M9? Honestly, probably not for the most people. But as photographer experience and as a reminder of why we love cameras in the first place, this thing is special.
Yeah, I don't like to stay put. I'm a wanderer. In a life that's so bad. I'm the thunderer. Ain't gotta peel your eyes like a cucumber.
So yeah, this might honestly be one of the most emotional camera stories I've shared on this channel. If you enjoy this kind of vintage camera and street photography content, make sure to subscribe because I upload new photography and filmmaking videos every week. And comment below. would you still shoot with a broken Leica M9?